Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? It's easier than you think. Here's my 60-second guide to creating a faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. First, let's get a script. I'm using ChatGPT. I'll type in a prompt like, write a short video script about the benefits of meditation for beginners. And just like that, we have our script. Next up, the visuals. I'll take this script over to Pictory. It's an AI video generator that automatically creates a video from your text. You can also use Canva, which has tons of templates to get you started. Now for the voice. I'll use an AI voice generator like HeyGen. I can choose from hundreds of voices to find the perfect one for my video. This way, I don't have to record my own voice. For editing, I'll use CapCut to bring everything together. Here I can add music, captions, and other effects to make the video pop. It's a powerful and easy-to-use editor. And that's it. A complete video made with AI, and I never had to show my face. Subscribe for more AI tips.